That is a monster. Come get it. Get out there. Welcome back to another episode of Whistling Fisherman. Don't really have any specific goals in mind today, other than I'd love to see some topwater action. So let's see if we can make that happen. A little sip of coffee. Right there, along those weeds, my target. That's where I'm hoping to find them. I love to catch fish out of that area, specifically. There are probably a few reasons why. It's one of the closest places to get to once you get in the water. Requires a lot less paddling than some of the other good spots all the way across the lake. Good way to get into some quick action. I feel like that's a surprisingly high percent area that a ton of people don't really fish, so it's one of those spots that I can kind of always come back to and do pretty well at. Even on the slow days, though, that's the area where I'll go and just drag a Texas rig through the grass. All right. Spinning rod has a big knot in the freaking spool. Freaking spinning reel. Hoping I would see some action on topwater today. I'd really love to throw a walking bait. Creep up a little bit closer here. Hope I can make something happen here. Yeah, I kind of botched that one. Oh, I don't know what happened there. That was interesting. Something came and grabbed it. I was dead sticking. Sting my whole morning trying to catch one fish on a frog. I'll waste my whole morning trying to catch one fish on a walking bait. Go with a smaller walking bait. I feel like that's just gonna be better for a hookup ratio. If we get one bite, I want it to count, you know. I don't fish walking baits very often. They don't seem to be the best out here most of the time, but I have had it. Need to take it a couple times, and it's a fun bite. Catching fish on a walking bait is just, I don't know, it's kind of like catching a fish on a frog for the first time. Just love to see how aggressive they get for it. Knowing that you're doing it right. Quick Palomar knot. Where'd my scissors go? Oh, they're right there. Fishing a walking bait does limit where I can fish a little bit. Oh, oh. There we go. Oh no! Hey, that's cool. Bite on the first cast. Should have had my drag tightened, dang it. He came back for it a few times too. All right, had to reset myself. The wind is pushing me out away from the pads. So, oh. Every time I've fished a topwater bait out here too, anytime I've tried to pause it, it's never worked. They don't like the pause out here, it doesn't seem like. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good, oh yeah. Seems like a pretty decent fish. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Holy. Holy smokes. I need my grippers for that. Shit. Come on, big girl. Oh. Oh. That is a monster. That might be the biggest fish I've ever caught out here. I don't know if it's 5 pounds, but it's close. I wish I had a scale. This one's broken. Otherwise, I would definitely measure this fish right now. Dang, look at that. That's a beauty. Oh my God, she's got a tail sticking out of her mouth. Sticking out of her throat. She just ate a bluegill or something. That's a stud. Hell yes. That's what I'm talking about. Nuts. Topwater walking bait was the move this morning. Fish. There we go. Oh yeah. This is awesome. Don't jump. Don't jump. Don't jump. Don't jump. Don't jump. Don't jump. Not as big as the last one, but still a quality fish. Probably all think I'm crazy. I am crazy. That was stupid. All right. Forceps it is. Ugh. I don't even want to stick my finger in its mouth right now. Number 2, probably about 1.5 pounds. Thanks for playing, buddy. See if I can meet some of your friends here. Wish I didn't have so much stuff going on in the month of May. May has like consistently been probably the best month out of the year for catching big bass, numbers, and having topwater opportunities. Yeah, definitely not trying to stick my hands in a fish's mouth with a bunch of treble hooks anymore though. That was spooky. Oh yeah. Okay, maybe they're out a little deeper. Okay, okay, okay. Decent. Solid fish. Solid fish. About the average size. Oh, damn. Got some pull to him. Oh, well. That's okay. I count that. Okay. Try it a little further. Maybe they are still in the mood to eat. They're just not in here. See, that's kind of the thing about walking baits. You can't get any weeds on them or they don't walk anymore. I hope that was a hint and not a fluke. It's not super shallow out where he ate it, so there's a good possibility this thing's drawing him in from a good distance. Come back for it. I don't know what just happened, but something just turned back on. Come get it. Yep, little guy. Just a little guy. I don't even care though. Sticky hooks. It's a little guy, but hey, that's cool. Maybe it's just spots. Maybe there are just certain spots that are better than others. Maybe I'm just fishing in the wrong areas. That first bass I caught would have ate that last bass I just caught. Come back out here. Must just be spots. I feel like they're in the mood to eat. They're in the mood to eat topwater. It's just a matter of where they are. I guess there's a possibility of it just being a few choice fish that are a little more aggressive, you know? I don't know. There's an endless amount of variables that could be at play. A little further out maybe. But man, that looks so money. Honestly, if I didn't catch another fish, I'd be pretty satisfied. Be satisfied with the day. I could have caught that one big fish and that could have been it, and I would have been plumb happy. This has been a fantastic morning out here already. Fish are hungry. Obviously they're chasing a little bit. Makes me think I should put a spinnerbait on, which would also be a lot of fun. Definitely give that a try maybe when I come back the other direction. Cover a lot of ground pretty fast with this. And I will say though, if you don't spend a lot of time working a walking bait like this, it is an arm workout after a while. Your wrist, bicep, forearm, you feel it everywhere. You'll notice I switch from this direction to this direction Not necessarily because it gets too tiring one way, that is part of it, but also because it'll point my kayak whichever way I'm doing my jerks. Oh, of course I was on top of it by the time it bit. That looked like it could have been a nice fish. Either way, it's been a sweet morning out here. Stoked. I'm gonna move up a little bit. It's pretty desolate over here. Man, it would be cool to see one come get one in there. All that still water. Oh, whoa. Do I still have them? No, I just missed that last fish. I just caught a fish and I wasn't recording. See if there's any more out there. Well guys, I think that's gonna be it for this morning. Thanks for joining me. Had a great time filming this one. Got a lot of topwater action today, more than I have all year, so that's what I was hoping for. That's gonna be it for today, guys. Thanks for sticking with me, watching until the end, and we will catch you again soon.